Hey, fitness enthusiast, are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? Look no further than the ZELUS Weighted Vest, the ultimate game changer in strength training and cardio. This isn't just any ordinary vest. It's your secret weapon for crushing your fitness goals. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into what makes this vest a must-have for your workout arsenal. First up, let's talk about quality. This bad boy is built to last. We're talking premium, durable, neoprene, rubber fabric that can withstand even the toughest workouts. Shed weighted with iron sand, you bet. This vest is ready to be your faithful companion through hundreds of grueling sessions, whether you're hitting the gym or pounding the pavement. But wait, there's more. Ever worried about where to stash your phone or keys during a workout? Problem solved. The ZELUS Weighted Vest comes with not one, but two storage options. You've got detachable front zipper pockets for your essentials, plus a handy rear elastic mesh pocket for extra storage. No more excuses about leaving your stuff behind. Everything you need is right there with you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, it's tough, but is it comfortable? Absolutely. This vest is designed with your comfort in mind. Cushioned shoulder straps and gentle non-chafing fabrics mean you can push yourself to the limit without any discomfort. It's like wearing a hug while you work out. A really productive, calorie-burning hug. Versatility is the name of the game with the ZELUS Weighted Vest. With adjustable elastic straps, this vest fits like a glove, no matter your body type. And those reflective stripes, they're not just for show. They make sure you're visible and safe, whether you're training at dawn or dusk. From circuit training to weightlifting, cardio to strength training, this vest adapts to whatever workout you throw at it. Let's talk about safety, because that's crucial when you're pushing your limits. The ZELUS Weighted Vest is designed with even weight distribution in mind. That iron sand filling is E&D just thrown in there. It's carefully distributed to ensure balance and reduce the risk of injury. It's like having a personal spotter, always there to keep you safe and steady. So, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just take your fitness to new heights, the ZELUS Weighted Vest is your ticket to success. Available in weights from 6 pounds all the way up to 30 pounds, there's a perfect option for every fitness level. Don't let another workout go by without this game-changing gear. Your future fitter self will thank you. Ready to transform your workouts, the ZELUS Weighted Vest is waiting for you. Let's get to work.